Hi, I am Anu Sharma from Anu Business Solution, and today we will share information about how to get a freelancer permit in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. So if you want to start your own business and work from home, freelancer work permit is the best option at the current scenario. So we will today discuss about how we can apply for a freelancer work permit and how we can get a resident visa under this program through the different channels of free zone authorities, and what is the criteria, what are the required documents, and what will be the process. So first point, who can apply for this freelancer permit? First of all, let me brief you about this freelancer permit in United Arab Emirates. Before, there was no such rules regulation, and the person who is already having a job, he is not entitled to carry on any other kind of activity, or he can do any business or can provide any freelancer services. But 3 years back, there has been some lenient rules, and now the Free Zone Authority as well as the DED also make some changes in the rules and regulation, and person can apply for a resident freelancer permit. Under this, he can provide a freelancer services. But this one also have a caveat emptor, which means it is limited to only certain activities which are allowed to do freelancer business. Generally, freelancer business is allowed for these activities like media related, IT, information technology related, and educational related, and we can say event and entertainment related. So now we will talk about which free zones are providing this freelancer permit and how we can apply. So, well, there are number of free zones which are providing currently these freelancer permitted. Number one is like Dubai Media City, Dubai Knowledge Park and Knowledge Village, and Dubai District Design, and Dubai South as well. And apart from that, the other northern Emirates we can say like Ras Al Khaimah free zone, Azman free zone, and this Creative City Fujairah free zone, and Abu Dhabi 2454 this free zone as well. So there are number of plenty of free zones who are providing this freelancer permit to inspire the other people and to start their own business at the low cost, because this one doesn't require any additional cost of taking a office, virtual office or flexi desk office, or even a physical office. You will be a sole practitioner of your business, and it will be under one person hand. And if you are starting something with a small kind of venture, then this is the best option we can say. You can enroll for that, because after your freelancer permit, freelancer work goes well, you can turn it into a later on valid trade license like a standard license and other formalities. And now in this video, I will brief about only 4 free zones, and for the freelancer permit, how we can apply, what is the process, what is the cost, and the time frame to get this freelancer permit in various free zones. So first of all, we will cover the Dubai Media City, which is comes in TCOM, and it allows for all the people who are looking for a freelancer permit from Dubai Media City free zone, and they can apply through their Go Freelancer services. They have their website as well, and there they have to provide, the applicant has to provide below all these required documents, which is generally the filled signed application form, his valid passport copy, his photograph, and if he has already a valid resident visa, then he must need a no objection certificate from his current sponsor, and he has to provide the business plan or a kind of portfolio or sample of his business, already existing business, and that the applicant has to provide his educational certificate as well, which should be attested from home country plus from Ministry of Foreign Affairs from UAE as well, and he has to give in his curriculum vitae, this is CV also, and his one bank reference letter. So these are some list of required documents when we are applying for a freelancer permit in Dubai Media City. So once we submit all these required documents to the concerned free zone authority, then we will get approval, and after approval we can make a payment and get the freelancer permit. So the cost generally requires for this freelancer permit in Dubai Media City is 7,500, and this is 1 year fees. And apart from that, if a person wants to apply for a resident visa, suppose, then in this case, first of all, he have to apply for establishment card, which is like opening your file, immigration file, in the GDRF, in the immigration. Then afterwards only he is entitled to get his resident visa, and the resident visa is cost around 3,000 something approximately, and the medical ID, Emirates ID would be the separate fees. So overall we can say it's cost around one freelancer permit and one resident visa around 12,000 something, approximately 12,000 dirham we can say. And now we will talk about Ras Al Khaimah Free Zone, about their freelancer permit, and about this program, like how we can get a freelancer permit and apply for resident visa as well. So in Ras Al Khaimah Free Zone Authority as well, there are certain list of activities is provided by the Free Zone. Only these particular activities we can get the freelancer permit for the applicant, and these are limited to only like media, IT and education. In education also further it's limited. It's not allowed to do like training and coaching. This is something like a personal trainer or a sports trainer. This kind of activities are limited for the freelancer permit. So what are the required documents for REC Free Zone if we are applying for a freelancer permit? Well, from here also we will submit our valid passport copy, and if we already have a valid resident visa, then we must need a NOC from our current sponsor, and we will provide our valid resident visa page, Emirates ID copy, and a CV of applicant, and one picture, and the contact details, and some basic personal details as well. And if we have already some kind of work or like a business plan or project summary, a brief of about your proposed freelancer work. So we will submit all these required documents to the authority for the approval, and once the approval is done, we will get the request for the payment, and we will make the necessary payments and get our freelancer permit. So the process is generally can be done by individual itself, but since it requires online application, drafting application, signing and preparing all these legal documents, so it's better if you will go for any business consultant who are expert and who will handle all these kind of activities and follow up and liaising with the Free Zone authorities and complete this necessary legal part. So when we talk about the cost, how much it costs for REC Free Zone if we are applying for a freelancer permit, well, right now they have this promotional offer, and it's like 10,000 dirham where they are giving a freelancer permit along with one visa, one resident visa, and this freelancer permit is valid for 1 year, and the visa would be valid for 2 years. And apart from that, there is a fees of e-channel registration, which is like same like establishment card, or we can say like opening a immigration file. So this e-channel registration fees is 2,200. So if a person wants to get a freelancer permit with one visa, so it comes approximately around 12,200. And limitation in this freelancer permit, like a person cannot open a corporate bank account since it's a individual business, it's a freelancer permit. So this is the limitation over there. Apart from that, the activities are also limited for some certain criteria, like only for the media, and this is basically for the actors and the journalist, for animator, graphic designer, photographers, event and entertainment people. So all these kind of people can take such kind of freelancer permit, and they can have a valid resident visa as well. When we talk about the DED freelancer or entrepreneur license, there are some conditions which I mentioned before. Like first of all, he must have a valid Emirates ID. He must be living in United Arab Emirates, and his age should be more than 21 years, and he should have a legal valid resident visa as well. So these are some criteria, and this is basically for those people who are already working, who have a job, existing job, and further they want to continue their passion and they want to start their own something at very low operational cost. And this one also available for the like housemates who have already sponsored by their husband and they are on dependent visa. So these people can also get apply for this entrepreneur or freelancer license. The benefit of this DED freelancer license is this. There are list of benefits, in fact, we can say, but I will brief out few benefits which is granted to these freelancer permits. Like number one, we don't need any office. We don't need any Ijari virtual office or physical office to gain this license. This license have more reward. I mean, because since it's a mainland license, so it's more credential in comparison to the free zone license, and you can open a bank account as well. There are 4 and 5 banks which they have a tie-up, like Mashreq Bank, Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank, and Dubai Islamic Bank, RAC Bank. So they are opening this Zero Bank, which is for the startup freelancer and the entrepreneur. They can open a bank account as well. The most important benefit we can say in the ED freelancer license is that we don't need to get an NOC from the sponsor. It means your sponsor will not come to know that you are doing any part-time business or something. So you don't need to inform your sponsor about your other existing freelancer business. So DED doesn't require your any sponsor, any NOC letter or no objection certificate from the sponsor. But when we talk about other free zones, every free zone requires an NOC from the current or the present sponsor. Furthermore, there are other benefits. You will get a proper name of the company, name reservation like other companies. It will not be individual on your name or a personal name. It will be like your proper company. And further, you can do the business through social media channels on social media platforms and worldwide, globally. Since you have a banking business also, you can have a net banking facility, debit card and checkbook. So this is more preferable, and the cost wise also is starting from 1,500 dirham yearly, and so you can go ahead with that low cost freelancer kind of permit. So apart from that, we will discuss like what is the process for this DED freelancer permit and how we can apply. So then we talk about the process for this DED freelancer license. First of all, we will apply for the name reservation and initial approval like other license, and first of all, the consultant who will be taking care of your application, he will make your application online on the portal, and he will create a user ID and the password, and there he will apply for the name reservation. The name should be, there are some name guidelines which has to be followed, and it should not be included some name which are restricted. So once you get a name approval, then the second point is to confirm the business activity. The plus point in this DED freelancer license is that you can choose up to 10 activities from the same group. Yes, you can take up to 10 activities, and it will be you can see on the other side, you can see all these activities that falls under the one group, which is management and information. So you are entitled for 10 business activities. So once you've done your business activity, name reservation and initial approval, then there is a next step is to connected your Emirates ID and connected with the immigration GDRFA system. And for that you must have a valid registered phone number with your Emirates ID which is registered. So this one also has to be done in immigration through your Emirates ID and the registered phone number. So once it's done, then we have to update the social media platform channels. We have the consultant or the person who is taking care of your application, he will update all your details like your email ID, your WhatsApp number, your Facebook or LinkedIn, all these kind of website, all kind of this social media platform for your company on the live. So once the social media platform and all this information is provided in the application, the next step come to the providing the contact details and the home address. So in this case, the person must have to provide his Makani number, which is 10-digit unique number, and it's allotted to the all residential commercial properties in Dubai from Dubai Land Department. So he must give in this Makani number when we are setting up this freelancer license in DED, and afterwards we will get a payment voucher where we have to make the payment and complete this license part. So this is the overall process if we are applying for a freelancer permit, whether it's a free zone or mainland, and we discuss about what are the benefits and disadvantages of each free zone and what is the cost if we are getting a freelancer permit and then with one visa of this. So time frame is also each free zone have almost 2 weeks time frame when we taking this freelancer permit. Generally the permit issued in 2-3 days, but the visa takes a time because when we apply for a visa we have to open a establishment card and immigration file. So in this case it takes almost a week. But when we talk about a DED, this freelancer license, it can be done on the same day. It can be like an instant license, we can say. So under this you will get this license in one day, on the same day. If your everything is okay, your supporting documents are fine, and your registered phone number is connected to your Emirates ID with the immigration authority. After subject to all these conditions, you can get this freelancer license within a same day. And this is the overall information for freelancer permit. If you like this video, please like the video and subscribe. And if you have any question or clarification, need any clarification, please feel free to contact us at the below contact details, and I would be happy to assist you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.